Lily and Emily at the park. Fun English conversation with new words and phrases.
Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's begin the video.
Lily is at the park. What a beautiful day today, she thought to herself while sitting on a bench and enjoying the fresh air. The trees are green, the flowers are pretty, and the birds are singing. She looks up from her book and says, "I love the park." Lily's friend Emily walks up holding 2 cups of iced tea.
Hey, Lily. Mind if I join you?
Not at all. Grab a seat. Is that iced tea for me?
Yep, I thought you could use something refreshing on a warm day.
You're the best. It's so thoughtful of you. Vocabulary. Refreshing, making you feel cool and comfortable, especially on a hot day. Grab a seat is an informal way of saying sit down or take a seat. It's so thoughtful of you is a lovely way to tell someone you appreciate their kindness or consideration.
So, what are you reading?
It's a travel book about hidden gems in Europe.
Hidden gems? You mean places that not many tourists know about?
Exactly. Small towns, cozy cafes, little museums, places off the beaten track. Vocabulary. Hidden gems. Something wonderful, valuable, or special that most people don't know about. It could be a place, a restaurant, a book, a movie, or even a person's talent. Off the beaten track. A place not visited by many people.
Sounds amazing. Speaking of hidden gems, did you notice the new flower garden over there?
No, where?
Just past the playground, they planted all these colorful tulips and daisies.
Let's check it out later.
I could take a little stroll.
Vocabulary. Stroll. A slow, relaxed walk.
Oh, and guess what? I signed up for a pottery class.
That's exciting. Have you ever tried pottery before?
Nope, but I've always wanted to try my hand at it.
You're going to have so much fun. Just be ready to get your hands dirty, literally.
Try your hand at to try something for the first time. They start walking toward the flower garden.
The park is so lively today. Look at that family having a picnic under the big oak tree.
And over there, those kids are flying kites. The colors are so vibrant.
This is the perfect spot for people watching.
Totally. You can learn a lot just by observing. Vocabulary. Vibrant. Full of bright colors or energy. People watching. Sitting somewhere and watching people go by.
Oh, wow, the tulips are in full bloom.
They smell amazing. Nature really has a way of lifting your mood.
I couldn't agree more. Sometimes you just need to step outside and breathe fresh air.
Yep, it's the best remedy for stress. Vocabulary. In full bloom. When flowers are completely open. Remedy. Something that makes you feel better. Lifting your mood means making you feel happier, more positive, or less sad.
Speaking of stress, how's your week been?
Busy but productive. I managed to tick off most things on my to-do list.
Nice. You're always so organized. I need to take a leaf out of your book.
Start small. Make a simple plan each morning and stick to it. Vocabulary. Tick off could mean check something off or make someone upset, depending on the situation. Take a leaf out of someone's book. To copy what someone else does because it works well.
Thanks, Lily. Hanging out with you always leaves me inspired.
Same here. And hey, next time, let's bring some snacks and have a picnic.
Deal. But only if you make those famous sandwiches of yours.
You've got yourself a deal. They laugh as they walk back toward the bench, sipping iced tea.
Vocabulary.
Got yourself a deal. Got yourself a deal is an informal way of saying, I agree to your offer, or we have an agreement.
New vocabulary and phrases from the conversation. Refreshing, making you feel cool and comfortable. Grab a seat means sit down or take a seat. So thoughtful of you. I appreciate your kindness or consideration. Hidden gems, special places not many people know about. Off the beaten track, away from popular spots. Stroll, slow, relaxed walk. Try your hand at, try something new. Vibrant, full of bright colors or energy. People watching, observing people in a public place. In full bloom, when flowers are fully open. Remedy, something that makes you feel better. Take off could mean check something off. Take a leaf out of someone's book. Copy a good idea from someone. Got yourself a deal. I agree to your offer.
I hope you have checked all our previous videos. If not, then please check it out now. Like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path and upgrade your English today.